Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to fix the MSVCR110.dll file was not found error. When I tried to open After Effects, I got this error message. This issue occurs because a recent Windows update may have removed the DLL file. Since this file is required to run the application, you will need to reinstall it. To fix this, simply install Microsoft Visual C+ 2012. I will provide the download link in the description below. Click on the download link, and based on your system's bitrate, choose either the 32-bit or 64-bit version of the software. To find out your system's bitrate, go to your Windows system settings and check under System Type. It'll show whether your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. For example, my computer is 64-bit, so I'm selecting the 64-bit version. Once downloaded, install the application. After that, just open After Effects and it should work perfectly. And that's it. Now you should be able to open After Effects without any issues. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any problems, just drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.